Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop limit order on Robinhood. So if you tap the info icon in the top right, it shows you how these orders work. With a stop order, a buy happens if the stock moves above a certain price, or a sell if it drops below a certain price. Once that stop price is hit, it triggers market order, which executes right away. Like I said, this is not a common order type, but if you are using technical analysis and watching charts for a breakout before buying, that's when you might use a stop order. Or you can set a stop loss to automatically sell a stock. If it falls below a price you're not comfortable with, the next order type is the stop limit order. It works like a stop order, but instead of a market order, it triggers a limit order. Once the stop price is hit, the app gives a visual of how this looks. If you want to set a stop price but only buy at a better price, you can enter that as your limit. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.